Hello there, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of Prealgebrateachers.com. Today, I want to show you how to change any activity into a self-graded activity or test or quiz or whatever you want to do with it, but it will be self-graded. This is going to save you so much time, especially because we've all been given a heavy task of teaching online these days. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you and show you exactly how I create self-graded activities using Google Forms. So here we go. So you're going to log into your Gmail, and you do need a Gmail account for this. So if you don't have one, it's super easy to create. You're going to go to the square dots up here, and you're going to look for Google Forms. If it's a purple icon. So if you don't see it here, all you're going to do is you're going to go to More from Google and scroll all the way down, and you will find it right here. It's purple and it will say Google Forms. You just click it and it'll bring it up. And it's going to look like this. So you're going to go to this blank document and it's going to bring up this. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to this gear and see how it says general presentation or quizzes. You're going to select quizzes, and then you're just going to toggle this over where it says make a quiz. I like to have the Google Forms release a grade immediately, and I want my students to see their missed questions, their correct answers, and the point value. If you can pick and choose whichever you like, I just like to simply leave it. And then I'm going to click save. Now, I'm going to go and grab an activity. This is from the Pre-Algebra Teachers Lesson Plan membership. I'm going to go and grab an activity from our 6th and 7th grade resources area, and I'm going to pick one from integers. I think all my students need integers help, and I'm actually going to select the adding and subtracting integers task card activity. So I'm going to change these task cards. I'm going to use these task cards as a self-graded activity. So the first task card question is solve -9 plus -5. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to write it in. Solve -9 plus -5. Okay, so now I have my question. Now you can decide, do you want this to be multiple choice? You could do short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, or drop down. I'm going to select short answer on this one. Now, I also want to have this question be a required question. So I'm going to toggle that over. Okay, that's very important. Or else your students can choose to skip the question, and we don't want that. So I put in my question, and now I have to tell Google what the correct answer is. So it says add a correct answer. So now you're going to put it in. So the answer is -14. And I'm going to click the box that says mark all other answers incorrect. So unless they put in the right answer, it's going to say it's wrong. And then if you want to assign a point value, go ahead. I'm going to make this 1 point. And then what you want to do is you want to click this duplicate button. So then it remembers all the choices that you've already entered, and so you don't have to do it all over again. So now I'm on question 2. So my task bar for question 2 is -7 plus 5. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to enter -7 plus 5. Okay, but what if I want to make this multiple choice? Okay, you can do that. So now we are going to have an answer as -2. Click another option, we'll just make it up 3. Click this option 5 and click this option +2. Now, don't forget, you have to go and tell Google what the correct answer is. So here it's going to be -2. I want this to still be a point value of 1, and then click done. So then, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to create one more question. It's 10 minus -16. So I'm going to do 10 minus -16. Okay, I don't want this to be multiple choice, so I'm going to say short answer again. And I'm going to mark all of the answers incorrect and then tell it the right answer. So it's going to be 26. 1 point, sounds good. Click done. Okay, so you can go ahead and add as many more questions as you want, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it 3 questions just to show you. So now I'm going to click the send button, okay? At this point, you can share this with your Google Classroom. You can share this in an email. You can share this on your website, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to show you just what it looks like on the internet. Okay, so I'm going to click this link. I'm going to go to this paperclip looking thing. I'm going to click this link and I'm going to click copy, and I'm just going to open up a new internet browser and then paste it into the internet. So now this is what it looks like when your students take this. Oops, I totally forgot to title my form. So you can go ahead and go. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to title this adding and subtracting integers activity. You can make this a quiz, you can make this a test, you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to click send again, and it's probably going to be the same link, but just for sure, I'm going to click copy and paste, and there we go. Okay, so now it has a title, adding and subtracting integers activity. So let's just pretend we're a student and we're taking this quiz, test, activity, homework, whatever. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and how it actually grades. So first question, solve -9 plus -5. So the answer is going to be -14. Number 2, let's just say I guess the wrong answer, and I'm going to pick 5. And the last answer, let's just say I also get it wrong, and I'm going to say 6. Okay, so now I'm done. I'm going to click submit, and then it's going to tell me to view score. So look, it totaled the points for me. I got 1 out of 3 correct. First question was right. Second question was wrong. So here's my answer, and here's the correct answer. It was -2. And then question 3, here's my answer. I wrote 6. Correct answer was 26. That is how you easily make self-graded activities, tests, quizzes, whichever you would like, right into Google Forms. I think it's going to save a ton of time for you, especially during distance learning. And this is something you could easily take back into the classroom when we all get back into the classroom. And if you need bell-to-bell activities, if you want to be able to access awesome activities like the task cards I just showed you so that you have questions already made and you're just transferring them into the Google Forms, I'd love to invite you to join us over in the prealgebrateachers.com lesson plan membership. Check out the link below this video if you would like more information. Again, my name is Kathy Martin, and I hope this video has helped you create self-graded assignments. See you inside our membership. Bye-bye.